said we grow old, then you just grew cold. I cried my eyes out on your side of the bed. You said you look after every part of my heart. Guess you meant till someone else called instead. I replay every word that you spoke, like a movie that cuts at the joke. Tell me, was I just a habit, just a body you could grab at? I cry my eyes out till the morning shows. You stabbed me in the back with the truth I didn't wanna know. Was I just a hookup while I called you home? I don't wanna lose hope, but I can't hold on alone. So I cry my eyes out and try to let you go. Your toothbrush still there, blue next to my green. Little proof I believed every promise you made me. I thought you look after all the pieces I broke. Now I'm sweeping up glass from the words that you wrote. You said, baby, it's better this way. Funny, better still feels like decay. Were you ever really in it already? Halfway missing. I cry my eyes out till the morning shows. You stabbed me in the back with the truth I didn't wanna know. Was I just a hookup while I called you home? I don't wanna lose hope, but I can't hold on alone. So I cry my eyes out and try to let you go. You used to look after every doubt, every fear, every fear. Now I look after every scar, every tear. I don't wanna lose hope, but it's fading in the smoke of the last words you ever spoke.